Hi, this is Brother Barnes, your Principles of Biology study partner. What is the shape of DNA? To me, it looks like a spiral staircase. This structure here is roughly what we would call a nucleotide. It is made of a phosphate, a sugar, and an organic base. The backbone of DNA is made of what? These two. In the middle of the DNA are the bases, and these are the pairs that we find in DNA. Adenine bonds to thymine and guanine bonds to cytosine. What is the name given to the type of replication found in DNA? Each DNA molecule contains a mother strand and a daughter strand. Actually, I pointed to that backward. The old strand would be the mother strand and the new strand would be the daughter strand. What type of replication is this termed? And that is an E at the very end.